Hello and welcome. If you've been wondering how people are making money with AI in 2026, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to break it down in a simple, beginner-friendly way. No complicated technical terms, no unrealistic promises, just practical methods you can actually start using. Make sure you watch until the end because the last method can be the most powerful if done correctly. So let's go ahead and get started.
AI is not the future anymore, it's the present. But here's the big question. Can a complete beginner actually make money with AI in 2026? No coding, no big investment, no special skills. The answer is yes. In this video, I'll show you 4 realistic ways beginners are using AI tools to generate income online. YouTube automation, AI freelancing, selling AI-generated images, and a powerful script-to-video business model. Let's start with the most powerful one. YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive equipment, you don't even need your own voice. Here's how it works. Step 1. Script. Use ChatGPT to generate a full YouTube script. Example prompts: write a 5-minute video about future AI technology. Explain how beginners can make money online. Within seconds, you have content. Step 2. Turn script into video. Use tools like Pictory, Runway. These platforms convert text into video scenes automatically. Step 3. Add voiceover. Use AI text-to-speech tools to create realistic narration. Step 4. Thumbnail. Create a bold thumbnail using Canva. Big text, strong contrast, clear message. You can earn from YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorship deals. It takes time, but it can become passive income. Method 2. AI freelancing, $240 to $430. If you want faster money, freelancing is powerful. Businesses need content every day. You can offer blog articles, social media posts, YouTube scripts, short-form videos, logo designs. Create them using ChatGPT, Canva, then sell your services on Fiverr, Upwork. Beginner strategy. Start at lower prices, build 5 to 10 positive reviews, then increase your rate. Example, $10 per script, 5 scripts per day. That's $50 daily. The more skills you improve, the more you can charge. In my next video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create videos using all the best AI tools that turn text into videos, completely free. We'll go one by one so you'll know exactly how to go from script to finished video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss it, and get notified as soon as I post the video. Stay tuned and be ready to follow along step by step. Method 3. Selling AI images. AI image generation is growing fast. You can create artwork using Midjourney and DALL-E, then sell digital posters, wall art, phone wallpapers, and print-on-demand designs. Sell them on Etsy and Shutterstock. Important: always check platform rules about AI-generated content. Good niches: motivational quotes, minimalist art, business posters, and religious or cultural designs. Focus on quality, not quantity. Method 4. Script plus video workflow business. This is where real opportunity exists. Many small creators and businesses want YouTube videos, but they don't know how to create them. You can offer a full service. Client gives topic. You create script using ChatGPT, create video using Runway, Pictory, Photor AI Video, Magic Hour, EaseMate. Add voiceover, deliver ready-to-upload video. Charge $50 to $300 per video depending on quality and length. You become an AI content manager. High demand, high value.
Before you go, remember this. Do not try all 4 tools at once. Choose one, focus on it for 30 days, improve a little every single day, stay consistent. AI is just a tool. The real money comes from solving problems and creating value for people. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which method you're starting with first. I'll see you in the next video.